Hi, welcome back to another video. In this video I'm going to show you how to write on Zoom Whiteboard. So actually you just need to choose the right option on Zoom's meeting. And that will allow you to go through a good experience on Zoom. So you can, for example, make classes meetings be so powerful. So that means this tool is powerful as we said. So first, and as we all know, you just need to sign in or sign up on Zoom. And that's of course depends on if you have already an account on Zoom or not. So as I told you, you also can practice that tool on Zoom app or on Zoom website, zoom.us. So I'm using the Zoom app, and you can go into join the meeting. And for me, I will just create a new meeting just to show you how to write on the whiteboard. Alright, so here we have too much options. There are two options. First option is to share your screen and documents, then you will find the whiteboard. Alright, the other option and the easy one is to click on the whiteboard from the options below directly, and they will send you directly to um, the whiteboard. Here you can write and you can draw with your mouse, your pencil. You can edit the pencil from here, the colors, etc., stroke style, and you can also clean the what you already made. Then also you can type by using your keyboard. For example, classes or anything else, you can type by using your keyboard, and that's it. Okay, guys, that's how to write on Zoom whiteboard. And thank you so much, guys, for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share, and see you next video.